Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy, Two Phones, back again with another informative video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best ways to earn cash, earn gift cards, earn rewards today, right after this video, during this video, and so on. So, no further ado, man. I've done a few of these back in the past. Some of the apps and websites I've already previously talked about, but some are new, maybe new to you all that you didn't know. Oh, you can earn Walmart gift cards here, or you can earn Amazon gift cards here. Yeah, so it's an understatement. And some of them are the most easiest ones to get into. So no further ado, we're going to talk about. All right, so one of the apps I've been using for a long time now, for like maybe a year now, is AppLike. And AppLike is only on Android, so you have an Android device, whether it's a Galaxy or Motorola phone or ZTE phone or something like that. I definitely recommend AppLike and Fitplay, which also by the same company. But I think you have to use two separate different emails for that. And with this application, you can cash out on PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, and Amazon gift cards, eBay, and so on. So you can definitely check that app out. It really doesn't take that long. Actually, as soon as you set it all up, you're ready to cash out on like $1 on PayPal, and you can get the money today. So go ahead and take a look at that application. Another one that is very popular is actually Google Rewards. And Google Rewards is totally different on the iPhone. Now, I don't know why Google did that with Apple, but with the Google Rewards on iPhone, if you do a lot of traveling, just have the application turned on, get notifications. And if you do a lot of traveling, let's say you work near like department stores or you work in the mall, you can literally get money every day with the Google Rewards. So if you work like in a department store like Walmart or Target or Best Buy or something like that, and you're by a plaza, just walk around that plaza like on your lunch break or something, and before you know it, within like less than 24 hours, Google's going to send you a notification like, hey, were you at Office Depot? Were you at Petco? I'm like, what? Nah. But you walk near it. So just fill out the survey, and you can get PayPal cash through the Google Rewards app on your iPhone and your iPod Touch. So that's one app that's infamous. But on Android, you can only cash out with like Google Rewards, Google credits. So, but you can use that to buy like rentals for like your movies, or if there's like a pro version of an application you don't want to spend money on, you don't want to use your PayPal or your credit card, so you can use your Google Play credits on your Android device to get that free app or get a movie for free. So that's definitely another one. Now, one a lot of people you all don't really like or don't get is Bing. Bing search and Microsoft Rewards. You can definitely cash out on Walmart gift cards, Target gift cards, Amazon. They got eBay. You can get Domino's. You can get a $5 Domino's gift card. No PayPal on that one, but like I said, you can easily rack up points. The way you do it is you have to use it every day. All right. There's no passive way to do Bing Rewards or Bing search. You have to search every day, and you also have to take like quizzes. And sometimes they just tell you to read this article. Read an article. Read to earn. Read to earn. Watch to earn. So here we go. You got Microsoft. You got Google. Let's get back into some more. Panel app. Now, Panel app is a little hard, but I do like the fact that all you have to do is open the app every day and you earn points. And the more you use the app, the more points you rack up. They do give you surveys, so you just have to take them. And yeah, they do have like a point spread. So when it's a point spread, then that's when you can like cash out. Like I think it takes like up to like 20,000 points, and then you can cash out, and you can get Google Play cards. You can get Amazon. You get the same thing. You get same usuals. It just depends on which one you like better. Now another one that pays you just like I said, just like kind of similar like Google Rewards is Inbox, you could get like pennies to a penny. You get pennies to $1. It just depends on what they're offering you at that time. Now, a lot of people like it for the simple fact they pay you to read emails. So if they send you some emails, just open up the email, boom, you get like a few cents here, 10 cents there, something like that. And yeah, you can watch ads. You can watch ads on InboxDollars, watch ads, let the ads add up, and then you get money. You get money for watching commercials. On top of that, they even offer you to download apps and play the game. So you get money to play the game. And so many things you can do with the InboxDollars. And if you do the referral program, refer people to sign up to InboxDollars, and everyone gets like a certain amount of money. So like $5 here, $2 there. And then every time somebody else does a survey, you get a credit off their survey. So whatever survey they complete and they earn something off of it, let's say they did a $2 survey, they earned $2, you get a little bit off that $2. So everyone is making money. So go ahead, check out InboxDollars. Oh, also with that, if you enter in, like I said, department stores, they will send you an alert. Hey, earn 5 cents just for walking into, I don't know, Petco or something, or earn 5 cents for walking into farmer's market, something like that. So check out InboxDollars. Make sure you accept all the permissions. That's how it helps you make more money. All right, now another app I want to go ahead and get into, Swagbucks. I just cashed out on Swagbucks. Now when you first do it, I don't think I ever like cashed out on the first time with Swagbucks. But when you first cash out on Swagbucks, they have to send you a PIN number. All right. Once you get the PIN number, you go into your account, you open it up, you put the PIN number in, and whatever you was trying to redeem, then they will give it to you. So it takes about 5 days to get the PIN number, depending on your location where you live. You do have to give them your permanent address or a real address. You do have to give them a real address. But if you want that money for the first time, you want to cash out, you need to get you need to make sure you're getting the right address to them so you can get the PIN number and you can put it in the system. You can do Swagbucks and InboxDollars on your laptop, your tablet, your smartphones, your iPod Touch, whatever. So any adults watching this video, you can sign your kids up to the stuff and download the apps on their phones and tell them to start playing them games and earning money. All right. You need to stop asking me for money. So start playing them games and earn money. So you can get whatever you want to get, you can get it for yourself. But make sure you have it to your account so you can keep track of the money that's coming in and out. So, then you can give them the money. That's it. That's just another way to get kids money, man. It's another way. Pay attention. All right. Another app I love, I just cashed out yesterday. QMee. QMee gave me like free gas money. You know what I'm saying? I was in a bind, and I was like, man, let me go ahead. I got like an hour on my hand. Man, I racked up $5 worth of gas. $5 worth of gas for the QMee app. And like I said, with the QMee, it sends you, it's no limit on how much you want to cash out on. So if you just need a couple of dollars, you can send that $2 to your PayPal account. They also offer a debit card or a credit card, a gift card, but I'm pretty sure you're going to have to get that shipped. So I'm using QMee with my PayPal account. As soon as I need that money, or I finish done taking the surveys or whatever else they got to offer me, as soon as I get that money in my account, I send it to my PayPal. They send it like in no time. All right. So QMee, I definitely recommend you if you got iPhone or Android, get the QMee app today. I will leave the links in the description box. All right. Okay. Now the rest of these apps are, I would say, honorable mentions. ZAP Surveys. You can get money from them, but there's a limit. All right, there's a limit. You have to like earn $25, and then they'll let you cash out $25 of PayPal. Same way with OnGo surveys, it's a limit to that. And yeah, I did forget the InboxDollars. You can't cash out on InboxDollars until you get $30. But everything else, like with the the Google rewards on iPhone. If you can get $2.30, you can cash out with $2.30 on the Google rewards for the iPhone. So make sure you keep that in mind. Bing, there is no limit. All right. As soon as you get enough points that you want, and you want a $5 gift card, or a $3 gift card, or $10 gift card, $15 gift card, as soon as your points, you have enough points, you can cash out and they'll send it to you. So, and AppLike has I think a 48-hour window, a 24 or 48-hour window. So you got to keep all this in mind when you're doing these survey apps or reward apps or cash apps, anything like that in that sort. But if you're just trying to get money from somebody through PayPal, that money should come in right instantly if you're asking for money from PayPal. So just, once again, just keep that in mind. Coinbase, now you could get Bitcoins. You can get a few Bitcoin chains, stuff like that with Coinbase. But there's a little more work with the Coinbase app if you want instead of Bitcoin. But I do recommend getting Coinbase. Now, there is a new app. Well, it's not really new, but it's new to me, that I think a lot of people might be interested in, and it's called Earnin. It's called Earnin. This app right here. It's called Earnin. So basically, you can make any day a payday, and I think it has something to do with your paychecks or anything like that. So yeah. So check out Earnings, and you can probably cash out on your check. You probably don't have to wait till Friday, but you can get it like today. So, or a certain amount you want off your check, you can get it today. So think about that, guys. Think about these apps I just mentioned. Like I said, some of them I've had a lot of good luck with. Some of them it takes a little more work. This is why I like phone forming. Shout out to eCash Society and Mobile Merchants and all those guys out there that's doing the phone forming. If you have phones laying around that you're not using, like my dad's old Moto G3, okay, this has more than enough memory. If you have a phone laying around you're not using, you're not using it because you need a particular service on it or whatever, or maybe you're not on Wi-Fi or something like that. Find you some Wi-Fi. I got plenty of videos about that. Find you some Wi-Fi. Get a friend pop SIM card, which you can cash out using QMee. You can cash out using QMee or Swagbucks and get you a virtual debit card and get you a friend pop SIM. Put it in that old Moto G3 or Moto E2, whatever phone, ZTE phone, Alcatel phone you got laying around in the house that you're not using. Charge that phone back up, update the apps, download these applications, or if you got a computer, kill some time, set up, your Swagbucks, InboxDollars, and have those services running. Have them running, and you can have them up and running, and you can go to work or go to school or whatever your situation is, basketball practice or something, whatever your situation is. Let them run while you're at, out and about. Come back, and I guarantee you got some kind of money ready for you to cash out with. All right, so if you have any more suggestions, or you got an app that you like using that's giving you a lot of, gift cards, a lot of actually cash or PayPal or Bitcoin, leave those in the comment section. Like I said, I'll have a link and each name of the application that I just mentioned and talked about in the description box. I hope this will help you all make a lot of more money, earn a lot of free gift cards, get a lot of free movies, or whatever the situation, free phone service, wherever the situation may be. Please share it with your family, your friends, and your kids. Definitely share it with your kids. I know you all tired of your kids begging you for money, asking you for money. They got these smartphones and tablets. Put them to good use. All right, they can still watch TV. They can still play their games. But how about earn a few credits here or there? You know what I'm saying? To get you, I don't know, a free hat or something. Or you could, like I said, you can go on Amazon, Walmart, Target, order something off of there. Get you like some nice pair of socks or something. I mean, whatever the situation may be. You never know what the situation may be. So, and take a look into gas rewards. All right, take a look into gas cards and stuff like that. So all that stuff helps, man. And even like with food, if you go to a restaurant all the time, you're throwing out money all the time. Sign up to the rewards so you can get money back or get free dinner. Hey, a date can't be mad at me if we got a free dinner. That's hey, you can't hate on that. All right, you eating free. We out, we chilling. Hey, that's the life. All right, so thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all subscribe and stay tuned for some more informative videos like this. Peace.